So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at OptionAlpha.com, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to be answering the question, is 5% per month trading options even possible? So once and for all, I think that the answer to this question is unequivocally no, it is not possible to do that on a consistent basis. I'm actually floored that there are still sites out there, I won't even name the names, but it's probably some part of the title of this podcast, that promote and suggest that 5% returns per month on a whole portfolio basis is consistently possible. If you really think about this rationally, you would be looking at 60% annualized returns every single year. And that would put you in not only the top category for every single hedge fund, every single mutual fund, but very quickly you would own the entire world. You would have at that point compounded growth at 60% per year, which you would own the entire world of investable assets. Therefore, it is not possible to do 5% per month trading options. Now, is it possible to have a 5% month? Of course. Could you have one single month or maybe even 2 months in some cases where you have just, insane returns and really good returns for those 2 months? Of course, it's possible. It's statistically possible. It's probably happened to people before. But on an ongoing basis, it is completely ridiculous to think that you can generate 5% per month trading options without taking on massive risk and leverage. And of course, the more leverage, the more risk you take on, the higher chance you increase and probability of completely blowing up your account is. So hopefully this ends that entire conversation. There is no way you can get to that level. Now, we've talked about what you could get to, and we've got training and guides on expected returns, portfolio returns that you can target. It's got to be reasonable. And I think a lot of people are being unreasonable in this space. So 5% a month, no way, no how. Nobody's ever done it. Show me somebody who's ever done consistently 5% per month or anywhere close to that, 60% annualized returns. It's not possible and it's not out there. So hopefully this helps out. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.